Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that nowadays the market, in the last couple of days, behaving quite well, and what could be the reason behind it. The second thing I would like to talk about, that Meta brought out its last quarter's result, and it's looking pretty bad. And the future, what they predict, going to lead to more losses too, which worries some investors. And we have a Binance new Oracle network, which is basically the bridge between Web3 and blockchains via smart contracts. And they brought out their own version. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, very important, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. Okay, and now let's move on to the market, where we can see that basically Bitcoin is slightly up in the last 24 hours, holding itself above 20,643 US dollar. Ethereum up more than 1%, above 1,500 at the moment with $49. And when we're looking at the winners, then see Clay with 23% up, Dogecoin is up 16%, and Mina up 8%. And among the losers, we have XCN going down about 8-9%. We have Casper down about 7% and Kava down 3%. But overall, we see a good mood on the market. When we're looking at Bitcoin, look, since yesterday and before yesterday, we're still going up. We have reached here around 20,700-ish. Next step could be if we continue at 22,500 and then maybe the 25,000-ish level. These could be the steps upward. And of course, if we go down, then again, this 19,500 could be another thing. But now this is the level what we're holding pretty strongly. When we're looking at the DXY, that's important what we seeing here, because we see a significant pullback here on the DXY. And if we would, now it's just started to go up again a little bit, but if we would continue this when the dollar is weakening, that could be definitely good for stock market and also for Bitcoin. And this is one of the reasons why we now go definitely a little bit up, but several other things are as well. So let's talk about them now. So apart from the DXY index, we have a couple of things here what I would like to discuss with you guys. So why the market is going up? First of all, we have US midterm elections coming up on the November the 8th, and historically, when we're looking at always around the elections, it's a positive mood. Everybody would like to be re-elected and all these things. So it's very important to have this in good circumstances. So that's why there is a possibility that around this time we can have good market conditions. And another important thing is the FOMC meeting, which will be basically in a couple of days, next week on the 1st and 2nd of November. And obviously after the meeting on the 2nd of November, they will release the new interest rate hike, which if is lower than 75 basis points. But some people predict that if not now, then maybe December could bring a lower number, because to be honest with you, there is a pressure on Jerome Powell and the Fed that many people criticize them, that if they continue like this, okay, they do understand they would like to, bring back the inflation, but they're going to kill the economy with this, and now they have to kind of slow down. If they do so, then definitely it will be boost for the market. It could be boost for Bitcoin, and we can have a nice run up. I'm not saying that we hitting now new all-time highs, nothing like this, but can bring a positive mood to the market. And also, we have several other things. Yeah, here's the small interest rate hikes next 2 months. We have 2 meetings like now in November, next week coming up, and the last one in this year in December. We have, a new prime minister in the UK. It's very important also who is actually for crypto. And look at this. We had here a significant short liquidation in these 2 days on the 25th and 26th of October. Altogether, more than $1 billion in crypto was liquidated. And when you're looking at all the back here, look in July, it's the most significant one on both days, actually, when we're looking at that. So overall, we can think that there can be some positivity coming out. Nothing is for certain. Things can change very quickly. This is, the market we are right now in. But these are the reasons where there is a tiny little hope for a little rally. And this is what we're witnessing right now. How long it can take? Good question. But overall, I think next year could be a kind of warm-up for the bull market. Again, 2023, maybe at the end of 2023, this is just prediction, we can see, again, higher and higher numbers, and we can maybe see something great in 2024. But it depends on several things. The macro picture is also very, very important. It has a significant impact on the crypto market, so we shouldn't forget about this. Keep an eye on that, and it depends on how the market will behave. But this is right now the present situation. Okay, and now let's move on to the next topic, and the next topic is all about that Facebook, Meta, they closed a pretty bad last quarter. I did talk about it yesterday that even Microsoft and Google, they had a bad quarter. But here we have Facebook, which actually losses $3.6 billion US dollar. And the tech giant is just over 500 million away from topping its more than 10 billion metaverse department losses in 2021, but it said its spending will only grow next year. So they're going to continue just like this. As you can see, it was a significant drop now in the third quarter, more than 3.6 billion US dollar. And with the Reality Labs business marking its third quarter loss totally, it's 9.44 billion so far in 2022. Meta is shaping up to beat its 2020 losses in the metaverse play, which show just over 10 billion in losses last year. But what they're saying here, that they just going to continue with the spending. They a strong believer of the metaverse, but it's really, really pricey to develop. And therefore, in 2023, this can be even higher. And because of this, Meta stock price has fallen over 19.5% in after the hours trading at the time of writing, according to the Yahoo Finance, with the company's shares down over 61.5% since the start of this year. So Facebook is going down. Many investors are worried, but they determined at Facebook that this is the right way to continue, and they investing a lot in development. Okay, and the last topic I would like to talk about, it's all about the Binance, and the Binance coming out its own Oracle service. Oracles are really, really important because these are the ones which transfer data from the real world to smart contracts, so the smart contracts can function perfectly. And Binance Oracle Network bridge now Web3 and blockchains via smart contracts. For starters, Binance Oracle will allow existing decentralized applications and Web3 ecosystem partners on the Binance chain to access data source and advanced computation. And this is what they basically announced now. And they're going to have their own Oracle service. So Binance is, developing in every single field. They really, really, really work hard in this bear market to getting bigger and bigger, but they already kind of big. and this Oracle service can feed definitely their smart contracts on Binance, smart chain, BNB chain, with the data outside the smart contracts. So basically, this is necessary to make the smart contracts work. So, and this is their own version they have developed now. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single weekday, I bring the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Therefore, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to stay up to date. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. I wish you a great day. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.